So I just wanted to do this quick video because somebody asked for some Windows overclocks for the RX6600. So this one is my most pain in the ass one, which is my Sapphire MICRON memory one, as you can see with my GPU. I'll just put this down a minute, get off that screen because it's pretty horrible. So as you can see, we're doing 28.9 mega hash. At the pool it's getting about 30.2. Well, at the minute it's getting an average of 30.2, which is always quite nice. I've let this run for, where is it? There we go, 5.5 hours. So it's nice and stable currently anyway. And I've had 68 accepted shares, saying with a power of 62 watts. The VDDC is reporting at 775. So I'm using the most recent version of Team Red Miner, which is, let's pull this down. I don't know why that keeps going so horrible. There we go, that's a little bit better. So the Team Red Miner version 9.4.2, and I'm doing this using the bat file commands because it's just the way I prefer to do it. It starts when you start it up, you have to run it as administrator, which is why I've got the whole path of the miner file here. But if you do it this way, then you know that your overclock's going to be applied every time, straight away. So the first one I've got is the enable compute to enable compute mode, which is a Windows only thing. I think in Linux it sort of automatically does that. I'm using --CLK_core megahertz, which is setting the core clock megahertz at 901. I did have it at 900, but I just thought 901 because I had heard that it was unlocking it somehow. But obviously these are only, this might be different. This might be different for your graphics card, depending on Silicon Lottery, and obviously just depending on the make and model as well. I've got the this is the core clock millivolts. So that is --CLK_core_MV. I've got that at 630 at the minute. I've got --CLK_mem_megahertz, which is the memory megahertz. Because this is Windows, it's going to be double what you would normally put into Linux, I believe. I did have it running lower, but I was only getting around 26, so 1900 in Windows, which is double 950, funnily enough. And finally, --CLK_m_MV, which is the memory millivolts, and I've got that set at 1200. I just put that straight at 1200 because I know on this card from running it on HiveOS that if I tried to go to 1100, then it would crash. So those are my settings for this card. Hopefully that's helpful for some people that want to use Windows. As I say, these arguments or command lines is in the sort of readme file of the newest Team Red Miner, so if you wanted to double check through there and see what options are available, that would be the best way to do it. But hopefully that's helpful for some people, especially the one guy that asked anyway. And I'll catch you next time. See you later.